how to find messages on Roblox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find messages on Roblox Mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now just click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down until you find this one, messages. Click on it, and as you see here you can find your messages on Roblox Mobile, and that's it. That's how to find your messages on Roblox Mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.